Okay, so in the previous video, we had a pretty consistent crash at line 270, which is, well, here on the equipment component. Now, this happened every time we would close out of the editor after the player has died, and my best guess is it is related to the player pawn no longer having an active anim instance. So if we quickly look at our SKG pawn, and we want to go to our on death. So is it death or is it dead? Oh, well, yeah, here it is on death. Let's see if we can find anything. Here's our mesh, simulate physics, and we eventually destroy the component, which is then swapped because we have the posable mesh component. So the actual component, so the original mesh, is what is no longer valid. So if we head over here, the get pawn mesh is not going to return the correct mesh per se. It just doesn't exist. Now the other alternative, because it is searching for a specific tag, is to when we create where am I at? When we create the posable component, we can go through and give it that tag as well. So that is another option, but we don't really want to run the unequipped logic because we just don't care. The player's dead. So at that point, it's probably honestly better to destroy the player entirely. Maybe just leave the posable mesh behind. Maybe set up a different actor. I'm not really sure. So, but anyways, what I want to do instead is basically do a check. So if get pawn mesh, so if that is actually valid in conjunction with the anim instance, then we can run, we can go through and run the logic. So with any luck, that'll actually resolve our issue of the crash. So let's give it a try. Okay, now that we're back in the editor, we're going to try it again with two clients. Get ready for annoyed sound. And we can go ahead, go to our down state. And there we die. Now we enter, the spectator mode. We close out. And we are still good to go. So that's just what I wanted to go ahead and try to resolve, because otherwise we're going to deal with a constant crash that is, well, very annoying. So yeah, that is going to be all for this video, and I will see you in the next one. If you like what I'm doing and you want to help support me, you can find a link to my Patreon in the description below, where you can also get early access to this entire series.